Hey guys, Elite Crypto Investments here with a video on Cardano, ticker ADA, and why we think it's going to $7.50. But before we get into the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. So today, Cardano, as of this recording, is trading at $1.75, down 4.55% on the day, but up 15.65% on the week. It is now the fifth largest cryptocurrency ranked by market capitalization. If we look at the price action year to date, it started the year at around 18 cents and now it's at $1.75. And we feel Cardano still has room to run all the way up to $7.50. Here's why. 1. Cardano priced to benefit from increasing institutional interest. Now, in the May 24 CoinShares Digital Asset Fund Flows Weekly Report, digital assets saw net institutional outflows for the second consecutive week, totaling $97 million and establishing a new record for outflows. Now, Bitcoin led the way with outflows totaling 111 million. More importantly, the May 24 report did show altcoin inflows totaling around $27 million, with Cardano capturing the largest institutional inflows at $10 million. It was the second consecutive week of ADA inflows, lifting year-to-date inflows to $24 million for Cardano. Institutional investment products. Institutional investors were accumulating Cardano despite the market decline. This week's CoinShares Digital Asset Fund Flows Weekly Report shows another $5.2 million of inflows to Cardano institutional products. It is the third consecutive week and raises the year-to-date inflows to $29 million for Cardano. According to the CoinShares data, the rise of altcoins like Cardano indicate that institutional investors are exploring new investment frontiers beyond the bellwether cryptocurrencies, and the data suggests proof-of-stake coins remain the most popular. Institutional sponsorship enhances the credibility of altcoins like Cardano and offers tremendous inflows potential for the long term. 2. Cardano price encouraged by the rush for green tokens. Now, Tesla's decision to halt the acceptance of Bitcoin for payment due to the notable impact of mining on the environment was a pivotal moment for the blockchain segment. Elon Musk highlighted the massive energy consumption with this tweet. Cardano stands out as the preferred eco-friendly green coin because it was created to consume considerably less energy than Bitcoin or Ethereum. The difference lies in how the transactions are completed on the blockchain. In the cases of Bitcoin and Ethereum, they use a proof-of-work algorithm that requires miners to solve highly complex mathematical equations to confirm transactions to the blockchain. The proof-of-work algorithms do maintain a secure network, but it demands miners to use enormous amounts of energy to keep the network. Alternatively, the Cardano blockchain uses an energy-efficient proof-of-stake consensus that only needs other holders of Cardano to confirm transactions, thereby removing miner rewards, fundamental to Bitcoin. The result is a more efficient network that does not consume excess energy. It is clear that Cardano is well positioned to lead and craft a better environmental future for the blockchain segment in a world governed by the pursuit of energy solutions. So, to summarize, a compelling story that emerges from the shadow of Bitcoin combined with the glowing institutional investor interest and a leadership position in a pivotal moment for blockchain solidifies Cardano price to deliver superior investment returns. So, when can we expect ADA to trade at $7.50? Well, if we take a look at coin price forecasts, they're projecting $3 per coin by the end of 2022 and $5 per coin by the end of 2027. By the end of 2031, we'd have a price of $7.50 per coin. Anyway, thanks for checking out the video, and please hit subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and give us a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video.